What is up guys, and welcome to the Taaibos 4x4 accessory YouTube channel. And on this channel, this is obviously our very first video. We'll be doing everything from builds to showcasing the 4x4 products that we offer, the bumpers and everything that you need to get out there and have an adventure. And in today's episode, we'll be covering the popular model of the Toyota Hiluxes, the GD6 model. Now, for the specific models, we have a variety of bumpers from 2016 up until the newest models of 2025, and on this specific model from the 2018 to the 2020 range. So stay tuned, because we'll be covering the specifications of the bumpers, the cost of the bumpers, and why you need a Taaibos 4x4 bumper. So let's get straight into the specifications of this bumper. So why a Taaibos bumper and why a replacement bumper? So first and foremost guys, if you are a farmer, if you are guys that just love off-road, or you're a weekend warrior, this is protection for your vehicle. That just it. If you want to look after your vehicle, you want to get yourself a bumper. Secondly, let's look at the cost. The cost of these bumpers, if you go out in the market guys, you will not get a bumper for this price, this quality, and obviously the feedback from guys out there in the market. The bumper itself has got a 3mm outer with a 5mm inner, and all the brackets is a 10mm. Now that we've covered the specifications of the bumper, why the Taaibos bumper? Obviously in South Africa guys, it's important to support local. Everything from the Taaibos brand is made under one roof. Nothing is outsourced, and for me that just speaks about the quality and what the market wants specifically for these bumpers. If you're out there and you're looking for a product that you want to support locally, you want to support the guys that support the country, support Taaibos 4x4 accessories. The bumper itself, from the development to the actual drawings of the bumper, to the powder coating of the bumper, the welding of the bumper, there's a lot of stuff I'm mentioning guys, but the whole design of this bumper is made locally and under one roof at the Taaibos factory. So you can be rest assured that the quality control of the bumper is checked inside out from the owners of Taaibos 4x4 to make sure that when the product gets to the consumer, that it's top notch and top quality for your adventures. Okay guys, a very important point to take note is our recovery points. So obviously this is our integrated recovery points. It is a 10mm, so this thing is extremely strong. So guys, even if you're stranded on the road, or you need to be yourself, need to be recovered wherever you are, you can rest assured that you've got your rated recovery points, which is very important when not only purchasing an off-road bumper or replacement bumper, whatever you would like to call it, but to also be ensured that you're not recovering from your standard points and they do sit a little bit higher. It also gives you that benefit. So make sure that when you look at a bumper, that is included. Now let's discuss the different models. So obviously every guy's preference is different, and so guys, I will put a link in the description down below. Hit up that link, go to the quotation, send into Taaibos what exactly you guys want for your different design. Now guys, another one, even if you're not a 4x4 junkie or a farmer and you just want it as your daily driver, let's be honest, this bumper looks absolutely beautiful. It changes the whole stylus of your bumper, and it actually transforms your bakkie into a real bakkie. So if you're a real man, get yourself a 4x4 Taaibos bumper.